Hello, it's Ariella Mervis, and for my presentation I use two media programs that I don't have much experience with, but I did have a lot of fun learning how to use them. So for my media design, I use Canva Pro since I did have a 1-month free trial subscription to get access to pro features that are not normally available in the free version. And for my screencasting, I originally tried to use Awesome Screenshot, which is a Chrome extension, but I found it limiting in that I couldn't choose how much of my screen to record. So I then tried Screencast-O-Matic and had much better results since I could choose exactly which part of my screen I wanted to record and share. And that way you're not seeing all the tabs that I have open. So Screencast-O-Matic was also able to upload the video to YouTube directly, which makes it really easy to use and user-friendly. So here on the screen I have an infographic that I started designing on Canva, and I used a template that was already provided by Canva. So if you click on design here, it's on the top left corner, you can find more templates for infographics. And you can scroll down to see what's available, or you can search for something more relevant up here if you want to change the template. And as you can see, we're going to zoom in here, so on the bottom right corner you can zoom in. I'm going to close that. As you can see, the infographic is pretty hard to read, so the first thing that I want to do is make it more legible by editing the background. So when you hover over, you can see that there's like a little purple square or purple rectangle, and that just shows you what you're going to edit when you click on it. So we're going to click on the background here. You see the purple surrounding that. So what we can do with this is we can go up to edit image on the top left corner, and there's different things you can do with the image. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, saturation, add a filter. There's so many options here. You can even replace it with different picture or video. But what we need is up here on the top right corner is transparency. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide this over. It's at 100 now. We'll just go down, and I think right around here is about perfect. So that'll be good. Okay, and the next thing that I would like to do with this is change these two graphics to something more relevant. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that by clicking on it and press this little delete that hovers right around it. We'll do the same for this one. And then we go over to elements here, and you can go and see that there's lines and shapes, different graphics, stickers, photos, videos, a lot of things that you can add. And we're going to just go to graphics, see all. And then I'm going to search for capabilities and see if there's anything relevant for us here. So capabilities is not something easy to find relevance to. I don't think any of these are going to work. So I'm going to try something else. We'll do artificial intelligence, which I already searched recently. And I kind of like this one here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. Now it shows up here, you can see the purple surrounding it, but you can't really see it because of the color. So we're going to go ahead and edit that in a bit. Let's just find one for limitations and then we'll change the color. So let's try typing in limitations, which I already have in my recently searched. And I think I like this one here. It's the same, you can't really see it. We'll just go ahead and slide it up here and we'll edit the color. Now, I do have a dropper, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy the color that I have saved. And what we can do is we can click on this, and on the top left corner there's color. Let's see, we want to add a new color and just paste the image or the code for the color that you want, and that's a lot better here. So I'm happy with that color. I'm just going to make this smaller. When you slide it over, you can see these lines that line it up. Okay, and then we'll click on this one, and we'll do the same thing here. Paste that. It's much better. So let's line that up, and then what we'll do is change the color until we see the pink. See, the dotted line shows you that they're equal. Okay, so I think the next thing I want to do is change some of the colors here because I don't really like the blue with the green. So I'm going to change the words here. the same color that we have. Perfect. I am happy with that. And then I'll go ahead and do the same with this. And then we'll do the same with this. I actually think these blue ones need to change as well. So we'll just do that again for these. Okay, and I kind of want these to be white. So I'm going to change that. Oh, let's see. So we could use the dropper and copy the white that we have here. Perfect. And we could do that again by clicking the dropper color and trying to click on the white there. Perfect. So I think that looks a lot better. All right, and that is complete then. Thank you for watching.